तो एक बायोलॉजिकल डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर है कि ओनली फीमेल कैन बियर एंड बिगेट द चाइल्ड. इन दैट केस नेचुरली the responsibility of providing food, taking shelter, and security, and these kind of responsibilities came to male. Can't you see there's a sexual division of labor now? So what happened that because of biological reasons, so first thing is, in order to survive, every society needs certain amount of resource of food, etc., and then they have to procreate. For biological reasons, only female can procreate. They only can bear and beget the child. और आप जानते हो कि human babies are very vulnerable, so उनको prolonged parenting भी चाहिए, lactation and all that too for average 4 years. That means female is largely involved into this process only, giving birth to the child and taking care of the child. Then who will take care of the food? Who will take care of the shelter? Who will take care of the security? Male, corresponding male. And this way, sudden what happened? A division of labor came when it was considered male work, it was considered female work, and this is rightly called sexual division of labor. क्योंकि ये नेचर का अरेंजमेंट है, इसमें हम और आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते थे. मेल को ये काम करेंगे, फीमेल ये काम करेंगे. दिस इज नेचर्स अरेंजमेंट. This is how we got when we talk about how sexual division of labor happened. But then, what happened after that? Male work was considered work, and female work was considered in a way natural phenomena, or you can say male work was considered superior and female work was considered inferior. Why so? इसका explanation दिया है बहुत बढ़िया से. अगर हम देखें तो Friedel, Ernestine Friedel, she's an anthropologist, wrote a book called Women and Men, an Anthropological View. The title was Sexual Division of Labor, where she identified what happened. She compared very tribal society, hunter and food gatherer, then horticulture society, everywhere. She found that as male has to decide now, ध्यान समझिएगा, what happened? अब female is taking care of the child, staying there at home. कहाँ रहना चाहिए, कहाँ सेफ होगा, I am deciding it.